Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zapier to update monday.com from Google Sheets. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google account. Open the Google Sheets document you want to connect with monday.com. Ensure your data is well organized in the spreadsheet. Next, visit the Zapier website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once inside your Zapier dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Choose a Trigger App section, search for and select Google Sheets. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as New Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue to proceed with your selection. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier by following the authentication prompts. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you wish to monitor for updates. Click Continue to set up the trigger. Zapier will prompt you to test the trigger. Make sure to test it to confirm the connection is working properly. If the test is successful, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, search for monday.com in the Choose an Action App section. Select monday.com as your action app. Choose the action event, like Create Item or Update Item. Click Continue and connect your monday.com account to Zapier. After authentication, you'll be prompted to set up the action. Map the relevant fields from your Google Sheets data to the corresponding monday.com fields. Review the mapping to ensure accuracy. Click Continue once all fields are correctly mapped. Zapier will now prompt you to test the action. Run the test to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your integration. Your configuration is now complete. You can monitor any new changes in your Google Sheets, which will automatically update your monday.com account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.